Chief Sahab, today you could enjoy the gym, but it's not possible to play game. It is raining like...
Looks like, you know, that about half an hour back, it was almost...
clear. It was almost
looked
clear.
like that it's going to be clear. And we thought that after gym and after taking bath and all that, probably we could play a few holes. That was my expectation. But now it looks that again clouds have become very thick, you know.
Yes.
And very heavy, and continuously they are raining. Though the rain is good for Jammu because Jammu had a very little rain this year.
Yes.
Especially the areas which are paddy sowing areas, like Ranveer Singhpura, Bishna, Mud, and even Tehsil Akhnur and all that. Tehsil Akhnur had good rain, but the area along the international border that is starting from Araspura, Bishna up to Samba, the rain was very poor.
Yes.
So I think this is good.
This is a good
sign.
for crop.
Good sign. And why we have taken a chance to come over here, the reason was very, very simple. That our 50% job has been done.
Yes.
We have gone through the gym, we have gone through sauna, we have gone through the steam,
Yes.
and all these things. So we are feeling very fresh and all that.
Yes.
Secondly,
Half of the purpose is solved.
secondly, it is not only the you come to the course and play the golf. Even why after coming to the course, when you had a glimpse of the course and all that, greenery all around and all that is also very refreshing.
Yes.
So we had a good glimpse of the course while it is raining, and then I'm very happy that some of the employees, you know, like deployed in the gym, on security, and other essential duties and all that. So
They are attending their duties.
they are attending the duty. That
Yes.
is very good. It's not that they are sleeping at home.
They are religiously attending their duties.
Yeah. So that's the thing. You know, I was very hopeful. You know, I was very sure. You know, that when I found some light in the south, because when the south becomes clear, normally the rain goes off. But now again, I think another round of rain has come up and all that.
Yes.
Well, it is welcome rain.
Yes.
Nothing wrong. And even after coming out of the house, for us, it's a blessing in disguise.
Yes.
Why should
We are not in the bed.
Yeah, we are not in the bed, we are not just sipping tea like our colleagues, you know, like Dr. Dhar and Dr. Murjid and all that. You see, they are
Dr. Amarjit was in a mood to come, but he saw the rain. That's
no,
why
I
he
think
can.
he was justified because when I talked to him on telephone, the rain was a little more. So I think it was not possible for him to come.
Yes.
That was the reason. So otherwise, I think we have enjoyed. We have come here. We have liked it. Now we will go inside the clubhouse. We'll have a cup of tea now.
Oh, good.
Yes, we'll have tea. And then again, wait for 10-15 minutes. We'll have good chit chat, discussion, interaction, and all that, which normally we do every day.
Yes, yes.
With other friends. Today only we are two.
We
So
are to.
whatever it is there, we will enjoy. We have enjoyed. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thanks.